Guys, if you'd like to see how I made a set of 4 of this beautiful wall art, please keep watching. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and coming to this channel once again. If you're new, please stick around, look at some of the videos, and please subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. Also, if you are a current subscriber or a fairly new subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. Without you, my channel would be absolutely nothing. Today, I'm creating a unique wall art piece, and I am using these shadow type frames that I got from Dollar Tree. To take this out of the frame, and I am going to cover this wallpaper. The frame here, I am going to take it outside and spray paint it silver. Once I spray paint it silver, then I am going to add some wrap around the front of the frame. And then I am going to create a coaster. I'm going to glue the coaster onto the backing. And I love this wallpaper. I ordered this from Amazon. Okay, I've added the wallpaper onto the backing. I prepared the epoxy. I have green, silver, and clear. And I'm going to also add some wedding scatter. And I'm going to let this dry and come back and demold it. Now that I made the coasters and they've been sitting up for like 3 or 4 days, I have a little leftover epoxy from my last project, and I'm going to go ahead and glue the coasters to the board and try to get them in the middle as close as possible. And I'm just gluing the epoxy to the green side. And I'm going to go ahead and do the last 2 off camera. Next, I'm going to put the rhinestone ribbon around the edge of the frame. And that is how that looks. Let me finish it up and I'll show you the finished reveal on the wall. And guys, here is the reveal. Those are so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back for the next video. Have a blessed day.